Wow, incredible. Incredible. Thank you so much. We're here at the Elta music stand. Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. That sounds brilliant. That sounds incredible.
Thanks.
What can you tell us about this Solar 42?
Well, the Solar 42 is the second iteration of our Solar synth, which is a ambient drum machine, a so-called drum machine. It consists of 6 drum voices, but we added 2 more VCOs, which react pretty well to external volt per octave levels. And we developed a brand new keyboard for it, which is also touch responsive. It has built-in arpeggiator and some useful tools like built-in portamento, vibrato, quantizers, but the quantizer can be also disabled, turning the synth into the microtonal world. What's different? Well, we went stereo, so in the middle section there's a mixer with gain potentiometers for all the voices. After comes a pen, so you can tilt the voices from left to right. After it reaches a stereo VCF based on our trusted Polyvosk desktop filter, and there's a stereo effect processor at the end. The algorithms are stored on cartridges, so you load them by pushing in the cartridge. You can load different algorithms for both sides.
And what does that affect? What does loading the different cartridge affect?
Oh, there are just algorithms like reverbs, delay, or
so different effects.
Different effects, also some modulation effects. They comes in this small pouch. Yeah, so you have all of them.
Great. And how long has this been in development? It looks so fully featured. Like, how long has it taken you to get to this stage?
Yeah, it's based strongly on the previous one, the Solar 50. We started the development this winter, and it will be in production this summer. So hopefully, from May it should reach the shops.
Incredible, incredible. And what sort of inputs and outputs does it have? Do you have like MIDI inputs, CV inputs? How do you connect it to
it
things?
has no MIDI input. Also, it has no presets, since the oscillators are all analog, except for the effect processor. Everything is analog. But it's semi-modular in ways like the drone voices have a voltage input, CV input, sorry, which can modulate the frequency of the individual oscillators in it, and also some of the parameters are voltage controllable.
Great. And what can you tell us? What can you tell us about the control keyboard here?
The control keyboard has 12 plates. You can tune them to have different notes on each of them. Well, it's really difficult. The most amazing thing in it is, I think, the arpeggiator. It accepts external clocks, so it can be synced to a modular system or anything else. The new Solar also comes with upgraded modulation sources. We included a 5-step sequencer, 2 LFOs. There's a preamp. It still comes with a piezo microphone, the contact microphone built into the chassis. So
you can hit
it and.
Oh, okay, excellent.
You can play it like a real acoustic instrument.
Amazing. And this drone voice section, what does this do?
These plates activate the drone voices, so they are played by touching this. They are a bit separated, but in the mixer you have some different routing options. For example, you can route the drone voices or some of them to the left side, apply a filter on it, have some modulation, and you can leave the right side totally dry.
Amazing. Well, it looks absolutely fantastic.
Thanks. It's actually really playable. And
yeah, it looks playable too. And then is that XY controller here?
Sorry. Also, we added a joystick which has output for the individual axes, which can be routed by patch cables to the CV-able parameters.
Amazing. And yeah, how much is it going to be? How much will it be sold for?
1,500 plus watt. That's what we are expecting.
Wow, that's fantastic. Wow, I'm a big fan already. Would you mind giving us another demo to finish?